The Veteran Shark Tank is in its third year, and it's where group organizations, United Way, Prince George's Community College, came together and said, what better way can we serve our veterans? And we decided to do that by just putting together a Shark Tank to not only provide funding, but resources to help them be successful in business.
At the end of the day, you have to be able to have and sell your business to anyone on the street within 30 to 60 seconds.
The pizza industry was one of the industries during the pandemic that actually grew.
Our chocolate is sweetened using only dates.
In the broader sense, not only does it provide immediate funding for the businesses, but it also provides ongoing support, like accounting support, legal support, all these free resources to get behind that veteran, or get behind that veteran spouse. Because military, we work in teams. And so, but with entrepreneurship, you usually work alone. So Shark Tank is all about putting that team around these veteran entrepreneurs to make them successful. This group is different from all the years. We have just different types of businesses, different perspectives on how to solve common problems. So this year, I'm expecting big things from all of the finalists.
The question is, how much is your health truly worth?
When I joined in 1993, not really knowing what the future would hold, but also wanting to find myself. And in that, knowing I wanted to do something as positive.
I witnessed many of my fellow soldiers not only lose their life in combat, but from dehydration and overhydration, which made me realize that regular water wasn't enough. So I created a water called Body Aqua.
If it wasn't for the military, it wouldn't be no Body Aqua.
I think we can all relate to the infamously long wait times of roadside assistance.
When you go into a business without good leadership, that business is going to fail.
Has anybody ever had a flat tire? A dead battery?
We all know the military is going to teach you leadership, whether you want it or not.
Has anybody ever taken an Uber? Put the two together. That's my point.
We have built an on-demand platform for roadside assistance where we connect consumers to the closest service provider to you.
Mach 1 is the first on-demand platform for roadside assistance.
This is not just a place you can grab a few quick bites. It's a universal and innovative hub. A nice Press-to-Go Gourmet, automated food carts that provides fresh, delicious, natural meals. Being in the military and seeing the Japanese culture, how the vending machines were really popular there, I thought it'd be a great idea to incorporate that into the American culture. It reduces 90% food waste. Not only that, it's better for strategically planning and preparation.
My side hustle has turned into a full-time enterprise. Everyone has clothes. Everyone has to wash clothes. It's a scalable business. We've already shown a lot of traction.
My bag number is 6 bags per pickup. And I can do that as many times per month as if I want for that one price.
So let's just say you purchase a subscription of 6 bags. So you have 6 bags to use that month. Laundry is one of those things that just a lot of people have a lot of stress and overwhelm from. And so if we can do that, we can give them back 4 hours of time a week. And so we can also allow them to do the things that they value.
Today, we are privileged to celebrate our state's contributions to the armed forces and the entrepreneurial efforts of our veterans and your successful ventures. Any commercial business demands discipline and tenacity, but discipline and tenacity alone won't get you there. That's why it's important that entrepreneurs who are veterans, service members, military spouses, and disabled veterans alike know that Maryland is here to help.
If you all could please stand, these are the finalists for our 2024 DMV Shark Tank. This year's second place winner is Body Aqua. First place winner is the Laundry Basket. It's always an honor and it's always a privilege to serve those who chose to serve us. As a veteran, I can think of no better way to honor my fellow veterans by working together with people to put this on so they know that they are not alone. They chose to serve our nation and they chose to continue to serve by finding out problems in society and building a business around that. And we want to continue to honor that. And that's why we have the Veteran Shark Tank.